Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play UFC 5 on your PC. First, you will need to have an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Without Game Pass Ultimate, you will not be able to access xCloud or play UFC 5 on your PC. Next, open your web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type xCloud or Xbox Cloud Gaming and press Enter. Click on the first link that appears, which should take you to the official Xbox Cloud Gaming website. If the site does not open or says that the service is not available in your region, that means xCloud is not supported in your country yet. In that case, you can use a VPN or proxy to access it. After you have access to the xCloud website, sign in with the same Microsoft account that has the Game Pass Ultimate subscription. Once signed in, you will see a library of games available to stream. In the search bar inside xCloud, type UFC 5 and select it from the results. Before you start the game, make sure you have a controller connected to your PC. UFC 5 requires a controller to play, as it does not support keyboard and mouse input. You can use an Xbox controller or any compatible Bluetooth or wired controller. Once your controller is connected, click on Play, and the game will start streaming directly to your PC. Thanks for watching.